Chronic pain steals your time, your energy, and your life.
But what if relief wasn't just possible, it was natural, lasting, and within reach?
Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. I know chronic pain because I lived with it and I found a way out. In Pain No More, I share the exact 7 proven secrets that helped me and my patients worldwide break free from pain naturally.
These secrets are backed by science and rooted in a holistic, whole-body approach. From inflammation and nutrition to scar tissue, mindset, and movement, you'll learn how to finally treat the cause, not just the symptoms.
Pain No More isn't just a book, it's a roadmap to reclaim your life.
Imagine stretching without discomfort, walking pain-free, preparing a healthy meal, or using gentle therapy tools.
You don't have to live in pain. Let me show you what worked naturally, effectively, and for good. Get your copy of Pain No More today. Click the link below to start your healing journey.